Hello all, in this video I am going to show you how to pair your TV remote in with a TataSky remote so that you can turn on your TV using your TataSky remote instead of your TV remote. This is the TataSky HD remote. In the previous version we used to set it to learning mode by using a select button and 2 button, but this is the new version, so you have to push back button along with a numerical 2 so that it will set to learning mode and the light will stay on. Now keep the remotes 2 inches apart from each other, pointing the IR of the one remote to other remote, and I'm showing you how to register this power button. This green color one is the power button of my TV remote, and here there is a button for turning on and off TV on TataSky remote. Sorry, it came out of learning mode. It will stay hardly 20 seconds in learning mode. Now I press that TV power button which is present on TataSky remote, and I press the original TV remote power button. Now it's time to learn that switch source button. So using the same way I did that thing as well. Now it's time to check whether it is working or not. Now I clicked on power button in TataSky remote only. My TV got turned on. Now I'm trying to change the source. Now it is set to HDMI 2. Sorry, I'm not pointing straight to the TV, so it is not working. I think I'll give a try again. Yeah, it is working. See, now I'll try to turn off. Yeah, it got turned off. Now I'm trying to turn it on back. Yeah, it got turned on. This is a brand new HD remote. For this is the process. And if you having any remote which is having one or two buttons not functioning, I have another video. I'll leave that link in the description below. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and share this video with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.